Today, I will show you how to enter data into Microsoft Excel in the easiest way possible. One simple rule I always like to remember is select to effect. That means if I want to make a change in Excel, first I need to select the cell. Let's say I have been asked to create a student grade sheet, for example, for a small class. In column A, I will put the roll number, in column B, the student names, and in column C, their scores. So I'll start by clicking on cell A1. Once I select it, I can type the first roll number 1. Now the value appears in the cell, but it's not actually entered until I press enter on the keyboard. Notice when I press enter, Excel automatically moves me one cell down to A2. Perfect for entering the next roll number. So I will type 2, enter 3, enter 4, enter. Type roll numbers one by one can get boring. If I have many students, that's why Excel has a shortcut called the fill handle. Here's how it works. I select the first few numbers I type, for example 1 2 3 4. Looking closely at the bottom right corner of the selection, you will see a tiny blackish square. That's the fill handle. If I place my mouse pointer on it, the cursor changes into a small black plus sign. Now click and drag it down to preferably 12. Boom. Excel automatically contains the pattern 1 2 3 all the way down to 12. Next, let's move to column B for student names. I will click on B1, type the first name and press enter. Then next student's name. Press enter and keep going. If I make spelling mistake, let's say I type Adam instead of Adam. Here something's important. If I single click on the cell and start typing, Excel will erase the entire content. But if I double click inside the cell, I can place my cursor exactly where I want, then fix just the part what's wrong. So I fixed it. Now enter, and that's it. You know how to enter data into cell, use the fill handle to save time and fix mistakes without retyping everything.